Okay, so I'm on the air right now. This is a test. I'm trying to figure out why there's that noise in the background. One thing is that the post to the mic stand was touching the table, so that may have caused it. I just noticed that, so I moved it back. Now it's freestanding and it's not touching. So I'm going to be moving some buttons and see if that has any effect. Okay, so this is the line in. So I'm hearing a background humming sound there, so I'm bringing it all the way down. Okay. Now on the microphone, I'm increasing that, and I'm hearing myself really, really loud. So I'm going to bring it down to where I can hear myself comfortably. Now if I go up to the bottom volume buttons, okay, this is the line in for my earphone, so I guess this is what I can hear, not necessarily what everybody else can hear. And the same thing over here. I'm using the Yamaha MG10XU. So I was thinking about, deleting this test, but I'm going to leave it up in case other people listen to it and they know what might the cause be that I need to adjust or change, and perhaps they can send me an email to thepatstoneshow@mail.com and let me know if you know how to use this mixer, Yamaha MG10XU, and help me adjust the buttons over here. We can connect on Skype. Once you send me an email, we'll make it down. We'll try and connect on Skype, so you could help me out here on how to use this new piece of equipment. And the other thing too that I'm trying to do that I haven't been very successful at is to be able to answer a Skype phone call and have it heard right here on Spreaker, because I want to be able to take live phone calls. But I can hear the caller on my earphones, but for some reason it's not coming through to Spreaker, so they can't hear. I mean, very faint, almost nothing. So something is wrong. It could be that I'm not properly wired in here, that I may be missing some wires. It could be, I'm not sure exactly what the problem is. But if you're familiar with this Yamaha MG10XU, and you don't mind helping me out to figure out some of these things over here, so that I can, really improve the way I sound on the radio, and also, be able to take in these live phone calls from Skype on the air while I'm doing the live show, then that would really be appreciated. Just send me an email to thepatstoneshow@mail.com. That's thepatstoneshow@mail.com. Alright, so that's it for now, and I'm going to listen to this recording and see how that worked, and then I hope to hear from somebody. Thank you very much. You all have a good evening. Bye-bye.